welcome back to the channel. Zero DTCs here. So today we're going to be working on this Nissan Juke. This is the F16 model with 1 liter petrol. The RAC told this customer that is possibly an alternator fault. So join me and let's find out if the RAC is right or not. Let's see first if it starts. The car now is running because I've recharged the battery, and we can clearly see that the car is not charging, or the alternator is not charging, and it's not happy. It's not happy at all. Right, let's start by checking powers and grounds. Everything is good. So check the voltage, and now we are testing the actual power supply coming from here to the actual alternator. And yes, indeed, it's all good. Also gonna test if I do have 12 volts or 11 volts. We do have battery voltage there as well, so the cable is good. Now we're gonna quickly do a voltage drop test, just to make sure on the actual body of the alternator, just to make sure that the ground side is also good. I'm gonna test the LIN signal.
Right guys, we do have good LIN communication as well between the alternator and the ECU. So let's get involved. Let's talk about this. So on this case, what would be your next step? Knowing that the drive belt is intact, we do have power supply, good power supply. All the fuses are good between the battery and the alternator. The cable is good, the ground side is good as well, and I know for a fact that the diode on this alternator is also good. So let's get involved. Comment down below what do you think is wrong with this alternator.
You probably got it right. So the issue with this alternator is the actual pulley, which has got the clutch on it, and we call the one-way pulley or one-way clutch. So what it does is it reduces the actual emissions on stop and start conditions, and reduces the stress on the actual auxiliary belt, and also reduces the vibration from the engine as well. Now, how do we know that this pulley is wrong? So basically, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Actually, if I try to move the internals of the alternator, I can turn the alternator on both ways. That means that the alternator is the actual pulley is not doing its job anymore, so it spins on both sides, so you haven't got any rotation or proper rotation or speed enough to actually charge to the actual alternator do his job. So we're going to go ahead and replace this pulley, and we're also going to replace the auxiliary belt, and I'll bring you back just to make sure and to confirm the fix. So that's it guys, we went ahead and replaced the alternator pulley, and then obviously the belt as well, and then we erased all the DTCs. Now we're going to start the vehicle straight away. There's no warnings on the dashboard, and then I'll go to the engine. Straight away we can see that the scanner is updating itself, or refreshing the image. We can see that now all the modules are happy and is actually recharging, or the batteries of the alternator is charging the battery, which is good. And now if we go to
engine management, I think we do have a few data pits related to the alternator load, alternator power. Have a little look, and yeah, we can see that there is activity there. And if I rev it up again, we can see, if I rev it up, we can see that it's changing, and we do have 14, which is great. That's about it. Let's read the DTCs again, just to make sure that we do have 0 DTCs. I'm pretty sure we are all green, and yes, we are. And then if we go, yeah, 0 DTCs. That's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you find it interesting, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.